What's going on, guys? Today I'm going to show the front-end script of login prompt based on Tkinter library and explain the code. And the app look like this. Here we imported Tkinter SDK to simplify the code, and we have imported TTK module from Tkinter for modern widgets. And here we have initialized the main window and named it login prompt and made it non-resizable. We have created two tabs, tab 1 and tab 2, for login and sign up. And here we used a bunch of entry and label widgets. And there is a special case here, that is, if you enter any character in the password, it just shows up with the asterisk. That's because we used show is equal to asterisk in the password entry in the ttk.entry widget. Nothing much about it. This is still in development, but I need to upload this as it took much time off YouTube. By the way, sorry about that. The link of the code will be in the description, and I'll update if I made any changes. If you found this video helpful, then make sure to like this video. If you have any doubts regarding the video, ask it in the comment section, and I'll create another video after I finish the backend of login prompt, that is making this fully functional. Make sure to subscribe.